How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today I'm coming to you with the final on my GI mechanics and scale modeling. Old Cliff, here's his card. He has a group build going on right now, and it's the motorcycle group build. The only rules, so it had to be 500 cc's or above, and this is a good guy. He does live streams on Mondays. When I get a chance, I always try to check him out every time I get a chance. Can't always, but sometimes I do. And he's a very cool guy from upstate New York. Military guy, veteran, serves our country. Thank you, Cliff. And here we go. Here's my final. All right. Y'all know I did the MPC kit. It was the Dick Mann's 1969 or 70 Daytona winner right here. This is the bike, and I had to do a lot of modifications to it. I had to remake that fender and do these right here to make it look right. I had to dechrome 90% of this bike. Had a lot of crap I had to do to make it look correct, and then the decals wind up doing this to me. The decals are terrible, but it is what it is, you know. This is 1/8 scale, so it's a pretty good sized bike. Other than that, I mean, it looks alright, you know. It is what it is, you know. It's an MPC kit, but let me take this off here and kind of show you what I've got going on. You can see right there, you can see the front. The decals are just, even with the micro saw, micro set, I could not get the wrinkles out for nothing. And here, you know, I done that Cosworth, and the Tamiya had cardiograph decals, and I had no problem. They had more bends and curves than this, and these decals just were terrible. It is what it is, but you can see carburetors. I got the flute trumpets or whatever up there painted white like they're supposed to be on the real one. It's all wired up. I don't know if you can see through my hands here or not. The wheels still turn. Kickstand, or it's got the stand on it right here. Still got your, I don't know, I'm not a motorcycle guy, so there's foot pegs. I don't know if that's like a kickstart or what, but there's the instrument panel. Here's the overflow tube, or the vent tube, air tube, whatever you want to call it. You know, these ain't like Tamiya kits. Once you get those on, you can't take them off, so you'll have to look at the pictures at the end of this video to get what they look like. But now, you know, I got all my brake cables. I got everything. Everything still turns and works. Wheels turn, you know, all that stuff. Like I said, I blackwashed all the wheels and spokes to give it that, because that chrome was just way too bright on this. Matter of fact, I blackwashed pretty much every chrome that I left on it to tone it down, because that chrome work was so bright. But that's it, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. You know, that's my motorcycle. There'll be more pictures at the end of this, so y'all go check it out. Go check out Cliff. Check out everybody else that's in this group build. And like I said, this is my final. And check out the pictures at the end of this video. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.